Hi, this is the OPPO A18 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So let's first open the settings application and tap to the wallpaper and style section. Click here to wallpapers and just select one from the available default wallpapers, the one from the online wallpapers. But to use the online wallpapers, be sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi or to the mobile data. Here we got also the album section with different just photos from our device gallery or downloaded from the internet. So let's just select one from the online wallpapers, select one from them, tap to apply, click lock screen, and that's it. Let's just lock the device, and as you could see, we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. Also, we get one more way how we could do that. Just hold for a while home screen with your finger, tap on the left down corner to wallpapers, and by the same way select one from the wallpapers. I'll use the download one. Just tap to apply and click to lock screen or home and lock screen together, for example. So let's just lock the device, and as you could see, that's so simple. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.